Have you been wondering why your favorite altcoins aren't pumping, even though Bitcoin keeps breaking new all-time highs? For years, crypto investors followed the same playbook. Bitcoin would rally first, Ethereum would follow, and then altcoins would explode in what everyone called altcoin season. But this cycle feels completely different, and many investors are asking the same question. Has altcoin season been delayed, or has the market changed forever? But before breaking down exactly what's happening, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. In earlier crypto cycles, the pattern was simple. Investors would first buy Bitcoin. After Bitcoin's price increased, they would take some of their profits and invest them into Ethereum. Later, those profits would flow into smaller cryptocurrencies, creating what the crypto community calls altcoin season, where almost every altcoin saw huge price increases. This time, however, things look very different. One of the biggest reasons is the arrival of Bitcoin ETFs. These investment funds allow people and institutions to buy exposure to Bitcoin without using crypto exchanges or managing digital wallets. Since these ETFs only purchase Bitcoin, the money stays in Bitcoin instead of flowing into Ethereum or smaller cryptocurrencies. Even if billions of dollars enter the crypto market through ETFs, that capital rarely reaches altcoins. Another important change is the behavior of retail investors. During previous bull markets, millions of everyday people entered crypto hoping to make quick profits. Today, many of those same investors are spending their money elsewhere. Sports betting, prediction markets, and even meme coins have become very popular because they are easier to access and often provide faster results than holding traditional crypto projects for months or years. The altcoin market has also become much more difficult for new investors. Many projects launch with a large percentage of their tokens reserved for venture capital firms, private investors, and insiders. As these locked tokens are gradually released, many early investors sell their holdings, increasing supply and putting downward pressure on prices. At the same time, the number of cryptocurrencies has exploded. During the 2017 crypto boom, there were only a few thousand cryptocurrencies. Today, there are millions of tokens, with thousands of new ones launching every day. With so many projects competing for attention and investment, it's much harder for money to flow into every altcoin like it did in previous cycles. This doesn't mean every altcoin is doomed. High-quality projects with strong adoption and real-world use cases can still outperform the market. But investors should recognize that the crypto landscape has evolved. The traditional altcoin season that many people are waiting for may not look the same as it did in previous bull markets. Instead of assuming history will repeat itself, it's becoming more important than ever to understand where new capital is entering the market, how institutional investors behave, and which projects are building real value instead of relying solely on speculation. It's also worth remembering that most of the crypto market now is still in a bear market. Metal projects remain far below their previous highs, so investors should stay cautious, manage their risk, and avoid investing based solely on the hope of an altcoin season. What do you think? Is this simply a delayed altcoin season, or has the crypto market entered a completely new era? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future crypto updates, market analysis, and educational content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.